Hi dear students, how are you all of you? Dear students, we are starting with the EVS and this is our first lesson of EVS, My Body. This is the first number lesson and name of the lesson is My Body. Before starting the lesson, let's understand warm up. Look at the children in the park. Here you can see the picture of park and they have told to look at the children those they are playing in the park. Some are skipping, some are playing badminton, one is playing football and one is cycling. See, they have described here some children they are skipping here, yes or no? Some they are playing badminton here. Some they are playing one is playing football, yes, and one is cycling, yes or no? Your body helps you to enjoy this beautiful world. See, your body it's very much important and it helps you to enjoy beautiful world. Yes or no? These are the things they have given here in the warm up. Our body, yes, our body has different parts. Each part help us in one or more ways. See, our body has so many different parts. Here you can see, yes or no? And those parts are helping us to do many activities or more activities. Look at the picture alongside and see the names of each body part. Think of the ways in which each part helps you. Now see, here they have given the picture and we have to see the names of the body part and how they are helping us. Yes or no? Nose. What is the use of nose? We take breathe. Yes or no? We take breathe by using nose. We smell. Eye. We look by using eyes. Yes or no? Ear. We hear by our ear. We eat food by our mouth. Neck is helping us to move our head. Shoulders are there. Shoulders are joining our hands to our body. Chest is there. Chest protect our heart. Elbows are there. Elbows are helping us to mold our hand. Yes or no? Arm, stomach, hand, finger, knee, leg, ankle, foot, toes. These all the body parts are very much important and they are helping us in different ways. Yes or no? Now, parts of our body. Each part of your body is useful. See, the body parts which we have, each part of our body is helpful. Yes or no? Now, we use our hands too. For what we are using our hands? Writing, picking, holding, eating. Yes or no? The pictures they have given. We use our legs too. We use our legs for walking, running, dancing, jumping. Yes. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. See, we see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We smell with our nose. We feel with our skin. And we taste with our tongue. Yes or no? These are the body parts and their uses they have given. How many fingers and thumb do you have on each hand? How many fingers are there? 5 fingers are there and 1 thumb is there. Yes or no? Now next is that taking care of our body. We must look after our body to stay healthy. Yes, if we want to stay healthy, we should take care of our body. Eat healthy meals and eat on time every day. We have to eat healthy meals, which are the healthy food is there that we have to eat, and whatever we are eating that we have to eat on time. Yes, play outdoors every day. See, you have to play outdoors. You have to go for walking, for playing. Once if you play outside, your body will get exercise. Sleep for at least 8 hours a day. See, 8 hours you have to sleep at least. Don't watch the television for a long time. Sleep on time every day, and you have to keep your fixed time of sleeping. Yes. Now new words are given here. Test to find out if a thing is sweet, salty, bitter or sour. See, taste means we are feeling the sweet, salty, bitter, sour. Healthy means when all parts of our body work well. That is called healthy. Now here concept recall is given. Concept recall means what we have understand here in this lesson is given. My body parts are given: hand, eye, ear, nose, tongue, skin, leg. What is the use of hand? Right, pick, hold it. Eyes, see. Ear, hear. Nose, smell. Tongue, taste. Skin, feel. Leg, walk, run, jump, dance. Yes or no? These are the things here we have learned. Here we have finished our lesson. Our exercise is also too short. I have written here answers for you. This is our exercise. Write T for true and F for false sentences. The parts of our body helps us to do many things. What is the answer, dear student? It's true, so I have written it here. T. We use our hands to run. False. So I have written it here. F. Yes. Our nose helps us to smell. Correct. True. So I have written it here. True. It is not important to eat on time. This is false. So I have written it here. F. And we need 8 hours of sleep. Correct. So I have written it here. T. Yes. Like that you also have to complete your exercise in your textbook and your notebook also. Filling the blanks, we write with our hands. Correct. What do we use to writing? We use our hands to write. We hear with our ears. Which body part do we use to hear? We hear with our ears. We should eat on dash dash every day. We should eat on time every day. We should dash dash outdoors. We should play outdoors. Yes or no? Now answer the following questions in one sentence. What does our body helps us to do? Okay, our body helps us to do many things. This is our answer. Name some of our body parts: nose, eye, hand, mouth, neck, chest, leg. Yes or no? With which part of the body do you taste? We taste with our tongue. Why should we take care of our body? We must take care of our body to stay healthy. Yes, to stay healthy, we must take care of our body. Now, how does playing outdoors help your body? See, when you play outdoor games, your body will get exercise, and exercise is very important for our body to stay healthy. Why is it important to sleep on time? Sleep. If we get enough sleep, we will feel fresh and we will not feel ill. So because of that, we should have sleep on time and we will get enough sleep. Now next is that value based on questions. Our body is wonderful gift. We should take good care of it. What should you do? To stay healthy, eat proper food. If I want to stay healthy, I will eat proper food. I will sleep on time. I will have exercise for my body. If you fall ill, I will take medicine. I will take proper treatment from the doctor. I will take care of my body. Now next is given here. Activity. Color the food items that are healthy. Dear student, which food items are healthy? Will you tell me please? This is an apple. This is also healthy for our body. And this is the milk that is also healthy for our body. Chips and burger will make us ill. It is not healthy for our body. Yes or no? This is not healthy for our body. So these two pictures you have to draw. Here we have finished our first number lesson of the EVS. Dear students, to get more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.